Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huawei Nova 11 device, and now I'm gonna show you camera top tricks for this device. So, here we have really great camera application, and here we have a lot of features we have now on other devices. So, firstly, as you can see here, we have the night mode, and everybody know that Huawei has really performance night mode, so you can take an image really when you nothing can see on the room or on the street, but Huawei device can't see it because it has a really great camera setup. So if you want to take an image in the darkness, so you need to enable the night mode and click on this button, and it will take an image. For example, now it will take an image during 30 seconds. Of course, if you wanna have the stable image, you need to have the stative or other else item to fix your smartphone. Cool. So this is the first feature of first trick of our camera. So it's our night mode. The second trick, it's portrait mode, because here we have beauty mode, so we can perform our skin. We have the effects here, so circles, hearts, stage lighting and other. In photos we have AI mode, so AI camera. In AI camera we can really we can take really great photos. Why? Because this mode is automatically colorizing our images. So for example, wait a while. So as you can see, I have no AI button here. So to enable this button, we need to reboot our camera application. Reboot camera and click on AI button and enable AI camera. Wait a while again. So as you can see, it's not stable. Cool. And now take a photo with AI camera. AI camera was disabled automatically. Why? Because here we have no AI mode in macro mode, and in AI, as you can see, all colors are really great. So really natural green color, really natural red, white, and blues, and it's really cool. So I suggest you use the AI mode when you're taking photos. Cool. Here we have presets 2, of course. In video we have presets in beauty mode 2. In vlog we have several strange styles. Here we have not too big difference between these styles, but for example we can have a peak and peak. For example, we have 2 peaks. For example, we can record video from the front and back camera at the same time, for example. So let's record this video. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, stop, and let's see on this video. And as you can see here, we have the picture from the back and front camera in one file. You don't need to merge it or use I don't know, video editors to merge these video files. No, the 2 video files are merged automatically in one video file. Cool. And then click more. In more we have high res. High res is the future to improve your photos quality, because it can help you to use all 50 megapixels to take a photo. Here we have the multicam. Multicam is really great feature if you have several Huawei devices nearby. For example, you and your I don't know, girlfriend has the Huawei device too, and she has logged into the Huawei account. And you can enable the multicam. Of course, you need to be logged in Huawei account too. And in this way, you will be able to connect to the other Huawei devices nearby and record videos from the other angles using your device. So your device can be a supervisor device for other Huawei devices nearby, if of course their users will allow you to supervise their devices. Cool. And then what we have here we have moving picture. In moving picture, we can. So here we have. You can see it. So for example, I can move with my hand, and as you can see in moving picture, we have the moving button on the top right corner of our screen. So by clicking on it, we can see that it's not just a normal photo. This is the moving photo. This is like a leaf photo on iPhones or in iOS system, but it looks not too good. Maybe. Cool. And here we have documents mode. In documents mode, we can take a photo with our documents, and it will. So I'll show you. Of course, I don't have the document here in the place when I'm recording this video. But for example, if you have the photo, you can take a picture of this photo and then edit it. You can enable the black and white filter, mono, so enable mono, adjust it, so saturation, sharpness, brightness, and then cool. So if you have the document, it will create feature to take a photo of your document and then share it. Cool. And the last feature you have on this device is the aperture mode. In aperture mode, you can have the blur effect, but it's like a natural blue effect, but you can reach this effect, unfortunately, only using AI, because we have no dynamic aperture movement on our camera. So here you can focus on device, on the object, and click on it to focus. For example, now as you can see, I have focused on the flower, and now by clicking on the subject or on the object, I can change the focus. So it works like a cinematic mode on iPhones, but it's for photos, not for videos. So cool. That's it. As you can see on our Huawei Nova 11 device, we have really great features in camera. So if you want to take great photos, I think this device will be great for you if you're searching for budget devices. That's cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.